rearrangement. Now we discuss pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. When two alcoholic groups are present on two vicinal tertiary carbon atom of 1,2-diol, it is called pinacolone. The conversion of alcohol having two adjacent OH groups, pinacol to a ketone pinacolone by action of acid. Pinacol convert to pinacolone in the presence of acid. The mechanism of a pinacol rearrangement of the symmetrical glycol. The symmetrical glycol, the mechanism are given below in two steps. The first steps are protonation of a hydroxyl groups and loss of water. Catalytic protonation of hydroxyl group and elimination with water molecules occur and electron deficient carbocation is formed. The first step, pinacol react with concentrate H2SO4 to loss of water and carbocation are formed. The second step, formation of carbocation ion intermediate. The above carbocation conversion into intermediate brigade carbocation ion. Therefore, it is a intramolecular rearrangement and shifting groups CH3 is not isolated for the substrate. The next steps are migration of methylene group या migration of methyl group. After complete shifting to carbocation stabilized due to the resonance. After shifting, the carbocation stabilized due to the resonance. And next step, oxo compound that is pinacolone is formed for above carbocation due to the loss of one proton. Due to the deprotonation, the compound formed are pinacolones. The order of the shifting groups is various types of pinacolone is the following follows. Phenyl is greater than, tertiary carbocation is greater than, secondary carbocation is greater than methylene group. 1,2 shifting take place is carbonium ion which is already and tertiary carbonium ion. It is probably due to the stabilization of rearrangement ion that can be affected by delocalization involving the electron pair on the oxygen atom and ready loss of proton from the oxygen to produce a stable products. The stable carbocation formed for stabilization convert to hydrolysis and removal of water and carbocation intermediate and shifting of phenyl group to convert to the formation of pinacolone. Bromohydrin to pinacolone. Bromohydrin react with AgBr convert to carbocation intermediate. Carbocation intermediate on hydrolysis convert to pinacolone formation. क्लियर. तो ये हो गया अपने पास पिनाकोल पिनाकोलोन रीअरेंजमेंट या 1,2-डायोल कन्वर्ट टू पिनाकोलोन. ओके.